A landmark decision by the U.S. Supreme Court today. In a 6-3 ruling, the court invalidated most of President Donald Trump's tariffs. The court argues the president did not properly use his emergency powers in imposing them. ABC's Christiane Cordero has the latest from Washington.
Today, a landmark Supreme Court decision cut to the center of President Trump's economic agenda, dealing the president a massive loss. The 6-3 ruling, written by Chief Justice John Roberts, said the emergency powers the president used, quote, falls short, adding, "We hold that the Emergency Powers Act does not authorize the president to impose tariffs."
This has been a Supreme Court that has really been shrinking down executive power. We saw them do this during the Biden administration with his student loan debt forgiveness. The reasoning here is nearly identical. The idea that presidents cannot look back to old, vague statutes from Congress to expand their own power.
Trump regularly touts his tariffs, imposing several new rounds while the Supreme Court was considering this very case. Even yesterday, the president said this:
"Without tariffs, this country would be in such trouble right now."
Trump's tariffs were challenged by a group of states and small business owners who argued in front of the high court in November. Victor Schwartz, a wine importer, was a lead plaintiff.
Reckless tariffs threaten everything we've achieved.
The Constitution gives the power to tax to Congress. The Trump administration argued the law from 1977 allows the president to regulate importation in times of emergency. The administration says that applies to tariffs and claims the emergency is what President Trump calls existential threats from persistent trade deficits and inflows of illegal drugs. But today, the court decisively disagreed. Christiane Cordero, ABC News, Washington.